Getting some new tires put on the truck today. Got some BF Goodrich, decided to go with the BF Goodrich tire. It is the KO3s. My wife has the KO2s on her Bronco after a little bit of research. On YouTube, of course. You off-road enthusiasts kind of said that these are good tires, so decided to go with these. Wanted a all-season, all-terrain tire, so here they are. We'll get them put on the Chevy. See what they look like. They gotta look better than those slicks that are on there right now. That's for sure. Look like some nice tires. Pretty cool tread design on them. Baja Champion. Goodyear Wranglers. Got about 40,000 miles out of them, I guess. 37,000. Nice spare on there. So we just got the KO3s put on the Chevy, and boy, they ride smooth. That's first thing I noticed right now is that they're, of course, they've got tread on them. My other tires didn't have any tread. So when we get back to the house here, I'll turn the camera on and give you a look at what the KO3s look like on Chevy, 22 Chevy Silverado 2500. So they're not noisy, that's for sure. I thought maybe I'd hear some more road noise, but right now they're super quiet. If you can hear that or not with the wind, but they're, you know, not making too much road noise. The tire size that Chevy had on this truck was a 275, 65, and those are on 20 rims. So I think they look pretty nice. With all that tread, I was just going down the road. Pretty quiet tire. I have a pretty good gravelly driveway here, so I don't see where it picked up, you know, any gravel on the way up the driveway. But that's what they look like. If you are wondering what they might look like on your Chevy truck. Not super aggressive tires, but you know, they're all seasons, so I thought it was pretty cool. They put this little KO3 right there in every other groove. Nice sidewalls. You can see this is cut out right here, and then this is left alone. This one's cut out, so you got this for digging purposes. Yeah, very sharp looking tire. I hope I don't have to buy another set of tires for 3 years at least. So there it is guys. I'll show you the KO2s that are on my wife's Bronco, and we'll look at them in comparison to these, and also we'll look at the odometer on that as well. 33,991 on the Bronco mileage. So here are the KO2s that we have on the Bronco. Quite a lot of tread left on there for having 34,000 miles on it, basically. That's why I got the KO3s. Wearing nice. There they are on the Bronco.